I'm Tasman, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make a men's energizing face wash using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log in and select the skin and hair care program, and then pick the foaming face wash build and then click create. Firstly, I'm going to add a polyquaternium agent, and I'm going to add the Merquat 550 PR. Next is my chelating agent, and I'm going to pick the disodium EDTA. Next is my added extras, and I'm going to select the ginseng as it is a great antioxidant and it is rejuvenating to the skin. And I'm also going to pick the goji berry extract because that is energizing. Next, I'm going to select an anionic surfactant, and I'm going to select the sodium lauryl sarcosinate, and I'm just going to use this at about 10%. Next is my amphoteric, and I'm going to select the Energizing CAB 818. I'm also going to use that at about 10% as well. Next is my non-ionic surfactant, and I'm going to select the Planticare 818 Up. This has a very mild and soft skin feel. Next is my super fatting agent, and I'm going to select the Polysorbate 20. Next is my lipid. I'm just going to add a small input of macadamia oil as this is great for rejuvenating the skin. For my essential oil, I'm going to select the lemon myrtle. Next is my antioxidant, and I'm just going to select the mixed tocopherols. For my humectant, I'm just going to select the propane diol. And for my gum, I'm going to select the xanthan gum. And lastly is my preservative, and I'm going to pick the Yuxel PE9010. And then select Generate Method. And there you have a full formula method, and now it's time to get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a men's energizing face wash using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own face wash. Happy formulating!